years since its introduction to the Philippine market, air conditioning has been considered as an imported luxury for many millions of Filipinos. However, in the year 2001, a trailblazer dared to change the game. BRUN air conditioner came into existence through the vision and eagerness to work of its founder, Mr. Timoteo BRUN. With its mission to be available to all Filipinos across the country, BRUN air conditioner has now grown into 11 showrooms, satellite offices, and service centers, and has sold thousands of units nationwide. Thanks to its hardworking employees like you, BRUN air conditioner continues to dare to compete against the most popular brands in the country. Above all these stands the fact that BRUN air conditioner tells the story of a Filipino brand that understands the needs of every Filipinos when it comes to their air conditioning unit. Reliable, ergonomic, and affordable. All these needs are the focuses of the brand's values. BRUN air conditioner's roots trace back to the experienced air conditioning company BRUN Air Condition Incorporated. The company has been in the HVAC industry since the June of 2006 and has handled most brands of AC units present in the world market. That being said, the company noticed a few things missing among all these air conditioning brands. Things that would have made Filipinos' access to a comfortable living much easier. So, in the year 2020, BRUN Air Condition Incorporated, led by its prime mover, Mr. Timoteo BRUN, researched and developed a brand that focuses on and understands Filipinos. In June 2021, BRUN Air Conditioner was launched. Since then, BRUN air conditioners strive to stay true to its values, an air conditioning brand that is beyond cooling, has reliable relationships, an utmost understanding about cooling, and a nationwide network. BRUN air conditioner is more than just a line of air conditioning products, as it provides every necessary services needed by our customers. And these services go from inspection to maintaining the purchased BRUN air conditioner products. We don't just sell our products to the market. We make sure that the air conditioning type, capacity, installation setup, and even payment arrangement is in our customers' best interest. Therefore, BRUN air conditioner goes beyond cooling and takes care of our customers' comfort. One of the many things BRUN air conditioner is proud of is the reliable relationships it has built with its customers for the past 17 years through BRUN Air Condition Incorporated. To strengthen these relationships, BRUN Air Conditioner and the people behind it, like you and me, provide not just their customers' needs for AC equipment, but also their needs for other maintenance and repair. At the same time, with an aim to nourish the relationships with our new clients, we make sure they get to experience the fastest and most comprehensive after-sales services in the country. Ultimately, raising Filipino standards in air conditioning. BRUN Air Conditioner understands the requirements of the whole air conditioning industry and has developed a line of products that goes beyond than just cooling. Building from its many years of experience working in the HVAC industry, BRUN Air Conditioner has designed a range of products fit for every Filipinos who live in a tropical country and with the constantly changing weather patterns. With its extensive and growing network of showrooms, satellite offices, and service centers nationwide, BRUN air conditioner products and services is easily and quickly available, thus guarantees the most comprehensive and fastest after-sales services in the country. Whenever and wherever in the Philippines, BRUN air conditioner is at every Filipino's service. With its continuing mission of a wider reach across the country, BRUN air conditioner clearly is ready to be in the running with today's most popular brands. And with its out-of-the-box perspective, BRUN air conditioner accepts no limit as it goes to infinity and beyond.